match, I will tell you something. Last few days I was not here, but they said when I'm watching social media and I'm listening nonsense that Aditya is talking about the convoy and this all. Look, it's complete nonsense. We didn't win anything. Because if you non-stop show this, number one, you will motivate the opponent. Number two, our players will lose focus. So stop talking all of these things about some convoy. I don't care about convoy, I just care about tomorrow's game. And players need to be 100% ready because Persija is a good team. They were better than Bulgaria. They have few good results last few matches, so they are definitely dangerous. They are the only team that beat us. Not the only one, we lost 3 matches, but we need to be fully focused on this. So forget about convoy.
Yeah.